Yossi Edri. I work in the gate as the head of operation. The dish we're making today is a vegan Shakshuka. It's a North African traditional dish made with a spicy tomato sauce and poached eggs, which we will replace with tofu. Okay, the dish has a few simple ingredients. You need to chop some onions, chili and garlic. You fry them together in a little bit vegetable oil till it's nice and golden. On top of it you add some chopped yellow and red peppers, just for giving it some crunch and color, and then some tomatoes. And you cook it till it's getting a little bit softer, and then you season it with smoked paprika, little bit turmeric, salt and pepper, till you're getting a nice and rich sauce. In a separate pan you need to do your scrambled tofu. It is a fried onion in a pan, and then you add a silken tofu to it, and you scramble it with a whisk. To give it the flavor of the egg, we're adding to it kala namak, that is a black salt. You can find it in every Indian shop, very simple, very cheap ingredient. It's made from Himalayan black salt, every flavor of egg, and it's vegan. You season that into the tofu and a little bit turmeric for the color. That's how you get your scrambled tofu. When your rich tomato sauce is ready, you take some of the scrambled tofu and spread it on top, and then you bake it both together in the oven for about 4 minutes for the oils and all the flavors to mix together like it was. You serve it with some nice crusty bread. That's it. Simple dish. Me myself, I grew up in Israel. My mother from Iraq, my father from Morocco. So we grew up on this kind of a dish. It's a spicy breakfast. You get some tomato sauce with some poached eggs on top. To veganize the dish, and this is like bringing back memories by replacing eggs and putting a tofu instead and still getting the same flavors. The combination of the smoked paprika and the tomatoes are like a fantastic sauce. It can give you all the flavors you need in the morning. And then use a nice fresh bread with it. That's, I think, amazing breakfast for every person.